How to use cannabis oil. Are you trying to figure out how to use cannabis oil? I personally have been practicing sports since I remember, and was born with arthritis on both of my knees. So, for me actually meditation and yoga are the main factors that help me with my knee pain problem. However, since I discovered CBD oil since science showed it to me 5 years ago, now I have been promoting the use of it since it is a natural and most of the time an organic made in USA product. We all know about cannabis oil and often consume it due to its varied number of benefits. But often, we are ignorant about its use and find it complicated to determine the effective usage methods. Based on the increased popularity of this oil, in this article, I will go over the various creative ways to use cannabis oil. The cannabis oil is extracted from the cannabis plant through the process of decarboxylation, a process in which the heat is applied to the plant to activate cannabinoid, which then converts CBD oil. The oil is then mixed with some carrier oil to optimize its potency. Unlike the different types of cannabis, cannabis oil is not inhaled. Instead, it is used in a variety of ways. Since now CBD oil is widely and completely legally available in America, you can find it easily at any of the gas stations or the shelves of the grocery store. This over-the-counter cannabis oil is entirely different in terms of the use of the medicinal oil. So without any delay, let's delve into the different ways of using medicinal cannabis oil. How to use cannabis oil, CBD oil tinctures. When mixed with the carrier oil, coconut oil, the CBD extract in the form of oil can be used as a tincture. The tinctures are effective to improve sleep quality or alleviate the mood issues rapidly without inhaling the smoke. They are convenient to use and have a relatively long shelf life. How to use cannabis oil. Use oil vaporizer. The vaporized cannabis oil is delivered through oil cartridges that are usually attached to the heating oil. The oil, when heats up nowadays, the pipes or other paper-rolled options are replaced with vape pens, which allow us to smoke CBD. So if you want to treat your anxiety or insomnia, inhale cannabis oil as it produces the fastest psychoactive effect. Typically the effect starts within 5 to 30 minutes and lasts for 90 minutes to 3 hours. How to use cannabis oil. Ingest orally. Cannabis oil can be safely ingested. The droppers allow a consumer to use the calculated dose and prevent the side effects. Here are different ways to ingest the oil orally. Take with coffee or tea. Are you stressed out after the long day work? If yes and want the relief from the stress or anxiety, add a controlled dose of CBD oil in tea or coffee and enjoy the creamy drink similar to a latte. The soothing drink will need only 1 to 2 hours to produce the effect. Note, CBD oil is not psychotic, so you won't feel high after consuming it. Cannabis oil capsules. The capsules are the safest and convenient option to use as these contain a carefully measured dose of the oil. After ingesting, the capsules enter the liver from the stomach and takes about 30 to 90 minutes to provide the maximum effect. The cannabis oil capsules contain a high content of coconut oil along with the active ingredient. The coconut oil contains a large amount of fat, which enhances the shelf life of the oil and absorbs rapidly. You can easily purchase the capsules from the online stores or pharmacies near your house. How to use cannabis oil, sublingual use. This method ensures the rapid absorption of cannabis oil. Use a dropper, add the specific amount of oil in it, and take it. Put the few drops of the oil under your tongue and feel the effect within 15 to 30 minutes. Why the sublingual use of oils provides the fastest absorption. It is so because the oil directly enters into the bloodstream without passing through the gastrointestinal tract. Hence, using cannabis oil sublingually is best to enhance the bioavailability of the drug. How to use cannabis oil, CBD oil in baking. The use of cannabis oil is versatile. The oil doesn't change the recipe's flavor drastically, so it is best for all kinds of sweet or savory dishes. Adding the oil to food items is the slowest but the long-lasting way, for about 3 to 8 hours, to feel its effects. Quick tips: while using the cannabis oil in your food, keep an eye on the flame. The increased direct heat affects the potency of the oil. The heat shouldn't be above 255 F. While cooking, be careful while adding the oil in your edibles because the hazardous volatile gases may release. How to use cannabis oil, topical use. If you are interested in the oil's topical application, add a few drops in your favorite cream or lotion and rub at the affected area. The oil is effective for joint pain, inflammations, muscle soreness, and lesions. It is also highly used in skincare products for the anti-aging purposes or mitigate. Note: the topical use of cannabis oil diminishes its psychoactive effects. Warnings and precautions of cannabis oil. For the oil's safe ingestion, start with the low dose, i.e., 5 to 10 mg, and then increase according to your tolerance and comfort level. In some states, it is illegal to buy or own cannabis oil containing THC without a medical license. However, you can easily buy the oil free of THC without any legal license. Final thoughts. Here we have discussed the most effective. Apart from the inhalation, the oils can also be used in the capsules, creams, tinctures, or different edible food items. Furthermore, the bioavailability of the oil depends upon different factors like what you have eaten before ingesting it or how rapid is your body's metabolism rate. Seek out the cannabis oil by the licensed and reputable providers and experience its desired health benefits.